Revered Swami Dakshanandaji Maharaj from Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission Sevastrom Kantai. Maharaj, your presence here today is a true blessing for the entire Tigra Public School family. Your teachings and the philanthropic ideals of Ramakrishna Mission are a guideline for all of us. I'd like to request respected Principal Sir to welcome Maharaj. Shawl. A beautiful sash. A floral bouquet. And a humble token of appreciation in the form of a memento. I'd like to request respected Vice Principal Sir to come on the dais to welcome both our guests of honor. I'd like to request respected Principal Sir to come on the dais to welcome Sir with a floral bouquet. May I now request our esteemed Chief Guest, our guests of honor, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, the Managing Committee members, Advisory Board members and trustees to step forward and light the ceremonial lamp. Hello.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a very proud moment for entire Agra Public School family because the day is very, very auspicious for all of us. Today, we are celebrating 135th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of Indian Constitution. At the same time, today we are celebrating 19th Foundation Day of our school. On this auspicious occasion, a little later, everybody will eyewitness the unveiling of Trio, Swami Vivekananda, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So on this auspicious occasion, I would like to welcome our guests, all our respected teachers, our non-teaching staff, and our beloved students. This day is the 19th Foundation Day of our school. That is very special this day because of to reflect this year the school is continuously nurturing and fostering excellence at Agra Public School. From the humble beginning, the school has transformed into a vibrant center of learning and reflecting our growth and impacted thousands of lives around our areas. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all our teaching and non-teaching staff on this auspicious occasion. Similarly, I will express my gratitude to all our parents and well-wishers and guardians for their unwavering support to our
Respected Vice Principal Sir to address the gathering.
Good morning to all. Today, 14th April, on this auspicious day, in the year 1891, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born. A great son, a truly great son of our motherland, India. He is the main architect of our constitution, and because of his tireless work, we enjoy the justice and equality in our country. He is truly the great hero of our country. Similarly, in 2008, on 14th April, our beloved institution, Agra Public School, was established with a humble dream. A dream where space will be created for all young minds so that we can nurture them properly with true promise, not false promise. And we are doing so. And if we compare our institution on that day, 2008, 14th April, and today, 2026, 14th April, there is a huge success we have achieved. And this achievement we have done not by only constructing of infrastructure like big buildings, labs, and etc. Here, the tireless effort of teachers and staff is also there. Their dedication, their hard work bring us in this platform. So thank you, all our colleagues and staff. Our student is the main architect of our institution. They are the heart of our school. Your achievements and your creation is our identity. So dear students, on this auspicious day, let us take place that we will do the best to get the success.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, to bless us and impart his spiritual and moral guidance, I humbly invite our chief guest, Swami Dakshananda Ji Maharaj, to say a few words on this auspicious occasion.
ॐ स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः नमः श्रीजतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरणे सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे। আজ এই অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত হতে পেরে খুবই ভালো লাগছে। 19তম বর্ষ অতিক্রান্ত করেছে এই স্কুল। আমি চাইব আরও দীর্ঘদিন ধরে এই প্রতিষ্ঠান সগর্বে চলবে এবং মানুষ তৈরির কাজ হবে। শিক্ষা সম্বন্ধে স্বামী বিবেকানন্দের একটা খুব প্রচলিত বাণী আছে, এডুকেশন ইজ ম্যানিফেস্টেশন অফ দি পারফেকশন অলরেডি ইন ম্যান। মানুষের মধ্যে যে শক্তি রয়েছে, সেই যে জ্ঞান রয়েছে, তার বিকাশকে বলে শিক্ষা। সেই শিক্ষা লাভের জন্য প্রথম দরকার নিজের উপর আত্মবিশ্বাস। সেই শিক্ষা লাভের জন্য দরকার মনঃসংযম। সেই শিক্ষা লাভের জন্য দরকার অধ্যবসায়। সেই শিক্ষা লাভের জন্য দরকার ব্রহ্মচর্য পালন। তাহলে একজন ছাত্র উপযুক্ত ছাত্র হয়ে উঠে। আর অভিভাবকদের এবং শিক্ষকদের অগাধ বিশ্বাস সম্পন্ন হতে হবে। সেই সব ছাত্রের ভিতর অনন্ত শক্তি স্ফুলিঙ্গ রয়েছে, তাকে জাগ্রত করতে হবে। আরেকটা জিনিস শিক্ষকদের মনে রাখতে হবে, যাতে ছাত্ররা স্বাধীনভাবে চিন্তা করতে শেখে।
এসো হে ঝমক ঝমকারে ওরা সন্তান করেছে দোয়া দেরি নাই আর এসো 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 সুন্দর এসো হে সমারোহে এসো হে পরমতর সুন্দর এসো হে
চিরবে আকাশ তাটে চাঁদেরই আলো চিরবে আকাশ তাটে চাঁদেরই আলো
জেরুবেলাট সখী সিঁদুরে সাজালো সিঁদুরে
সে রূপিরে সে রূপিরে
এসো হে যুবন্ধর
সুন্দর এসো এসো
We'll enjoy another dance performance on the song on this blessed day, Aji Shubho Dine Pitara Bhogan.
On this blessed day, let's all head to the place where His divine grace covers all. Come, my friends, let's all rejoice. Come, my friends, let's all rejoice. On this blessed day, let's all head to the place where His divine grace covers all. Will our hearts find peace and happiness in this warm and blissful haven? Will our hearts find peace and happiness in this warm and blissful haven? Come, my friends, let's all rejoice. Come, my friends, let's all rejoice. On this blessed day, let's all head to the place where His divine grace covers all. Victory bells ring in the corridors of light. Come, let's sing and reunite. Victory bells ring in the corridors of light. Come, let's sing and reunite. Come, my friends, let's all unite. Come, my friends, let's all unite. Aji Shubho Dine Pitaro Bhavone Amrito Sadone Chalo